everyone. I'm Archie, a student of class 11th Commerce from the Scholars Home, Paonta Sahib. Today, I'm here to talk about the history of our Independence Day.
A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and to the still larger cause of humanity.
The freedom struggle and the cost involved. The free air we breathe today costed millions of lives. I would like to start by saying a quote. कांप उठे वो धरती अंबर, कांप उठे वो धरती अंबर, ऐसी उन्होंने हुंकार भरी, गूंज पड़े पन्ने इतिहास के जब जब उनकी मशाल चली। नमन है उन माताओं को जिनकी गोद में ऐसी संतान पली, जिनकी गोद में ऐसी संतान पली। We all know India's freedom was not given. It was seized. It was seized with courage, conviction and centuries of resistance. After nearly 200 years under the British rule, the struggle culminated on August 15, 1947, when India finally awoke to liberty. The first spark of independence was the revolt of 1857. In 1857, the first large-scale uprising erupted, led by heroes like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, तात्या टोपे एंड बहादुर शाह जफर।
वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताए क्या हमारे दिल में है। तूफानों की टोली और नसों में इनकलाब, होश दुश्मन के उड़ा देंगे हमें रोको ना। दूर रह पाए जो हमसे तुम कहाँ मंजिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे। हम तो घर से ही थे निकले बांध कर सर पे कफन, जहाँ तेली पर लिए लो बढ़ चले हैं एक। ऐ शहीदे मुल्क व मिल्लत मैं तेरे पर निसार, अब तेरी हिम्मत का चर्चा खैर की महफिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है और कितना बाजुए कातिल में है, हाथ जिनमें हो जुनू कटते नहीं तलवार से, सर जो उठ जाते हैं वो झुकते नहीं ललकार से। इनकी गाथा छोड़ चले हम झांसी के मैदानों में, जहाँ खड़ी है लक्ष्मी बाई मर्द बनी मर्दानों में। उसने ले हर गोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी की, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
This revolt symbolized India's refusal to remain silent under the foreign control. Though suppressed, it lit the flame of nationalism. Further, in the early 20th century, Mahatma Gandhi transformed the Indian freedom movement through his philosophy of non-violence, truth and civil disobedience. His leadership turned protest into national movements, uniting women, farmers, workers, students and intellectuals under a single cause called Swaraj. While Gandhi led with peace, others fought with fire. Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Rajguru and Bhagat Singh chose armed forces against British tyranny. Their martyrdoms stirred the soul of the nation. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, through the Indian National Army, envisioned liberation through force. His war cry, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा," ignited courage among Indians across the world. After decades of resistance, Britain finally agreed to grant India independence. But with a devastating clause: partition. The initial plan was for the British rule to end by June 1948. But Lord Mountbatten advanced the date to August 15, 1947. His plan divided the subcontinent into India and Pakistan, tearing apart centuries-old communities. The Radcliffe Line, drawn in haste, cut through Punjab and Bengal, triggering mass confusion and violence. At midnight on August 15, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom."
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
But the cost was catastrophic. Over 1 million lives were lost. 15 million people were uprooted from their homes. Cities burned, trains arrived with the dead, and the land was soaked in grief. Freedom came, but it was shadowed by one of the largest and bloodiest human displacements in history. From the revolt of 1857 to the final cry of 1947, India's freedom was shaped by blood, beliefs, and boundless resilience. It was not one voice, it was millions rising together. The freedom we breathe today was earned by those who never got to breathe it themselves. Well, I would like to conclude by saying, शुभकामनाएं तो हर साल आएंगी, शुभकामनाएं तो हर साल दी जाएंगी। आज 78वीं तो कल 79वीं आएंगी। असली स्वतंत्रता तो तब होगी जब हर युवा के भीतर कर्तव्यों की मशाल जलेगी। सादगी होगी जब शुभांशु शुक्ला जैसी हृदय में विवेकानंद सी विशालता होगी। जब हिंदू मुस्लिम के बंधन से ऊपर दरिद्र देवो भव की सोच होगी। टूटेंगी तभी गुलामी की बेड़ियां जब परहित की भावना होगी। हाँ, यही क्रांतिकारियों की चाहत थी, यही सही मायनों में स्वतंत्रता होगी। हाँ, यही आज़ादी होगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।